Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Tiger vs Jaguar, the most powerful and beautiful big cats of Asia and South American continent. They both are huge, muscular, strong, agile and highly adapted for aquatic conditions. But if they fight each other, then who would win this battle? Let's start. Size. The average length of tiger is about 9 feet from head to tail. The average weight of a male tiger is about 200 kg. However, the Siberian tiger is much larger with a maximum weight of 300 kg. Whereas the average length of a male jaguar is about 8 feet from head to tail and the average weight is about 100 kg recorded. So in terms of size, weight and height, tiger is the clear winner. Strength. Tigers are the largest felines in the world, and as such, many cultures consider the tiger to be a symbol of strength, courage, power, and dignity. And if you are asking what is the biggest strength of a jaguar, yes, its body is incredibly strong, but what sets it apart from all other big cats in particular is its jaw strength. Speed. When talking about speed and stamina, the tiger can run with a top speed of up to 65 km per hour, but due to heavy weight, it can't sustain it for a long distances. Whereas the jaguar can run with a top speed of up to 80 km per hour for long distances and is extremely agile and patient than tiger and also climb the tree. So in terms of speed, the jaguar is ahead of the tiger. Bite force. Talking about the bite force, the tiger with a bite force of 1050 pounds per square inch. The bite force of a tiger is almost twice as stronger as a lion. On the other hand, the bite force of a jaguar is about 1500 pounds per square inch. Jaguar has the strongest bite than any other big cats. That's almost twice as powerful than a tiger. The bite force of a jaguar is so powerful that it punctures the skull of its prey. So in terms of bite force, jaguar is the ultimate winner. IQ level. Now let us talk about intelligence level. The brain and cranial volume of a tiger is much more larger than a jaguar. So it does not mean that a tiger is more intelligent than a jaguar, because the elephant brain is much more larger than a human brain. So it does not mean that elephant is more intelligent than a human. The IQ level of tiger and the jaguar is about the same. Hunting skills. If we talk about hunting skills, then observe that they both are lonely ambush predator, but their hunting technique is little bit different from each other's. It's true that tigers take down far more dangerous and large prey like bison, wild boar, sambar deer, etc., whereas jaguar hunts more tricky and critical prey than a tiger. Jaguars hunt caiman, anaconda, tapir, manatee, etc., and jaguar is the only big cat in the world which is expert to hunt in both terrestrial and into the deep of the water body, and if necessary then it can also climbing the trees. So according to me, jaguars are the more expert hunter than a tigers. Attack. If we search history, then observe that tigers is more ferocious among all big cats. Many man-eater tigers attack have been listed in the Guinness Book of World Records in India. On the other hand, jaguar is less ferocious and it stays away from human. There is a very rare cases that jaguar attack a human. Fight. Finally, let us talk about if these two big cats fight head to head, then who would win? The strength of a tiger is its body size, heavy weight and muscle power. On the other hand, the strength of the jaguar is its bite force and hunting skills. If they both are confronted face to face, then chances are high that the tiger would defeat the jaguar. But the situation may be changed if this encounter are happen in water bodies, because the jaguars are much more comfortable and agile in underwaters than a tiger. Or if the jaguars are able to bite skull or the neck of the tiger, then it can be win. At last, the most important thing is that the size doesn't matter always. It's all about the courage. Thanks for watching.